Thank you so much for joining us again. I am here on this Good Friday, okay? Trying to get my hair together before I hit the happy hour. So, if you have not already, come through, take a seat, join our support group, hit the subscribe button down below, and let's get into this new unit, I guess. So, this unit is the Model Oval Part Wig, okay? She's a layered wig. She's about 30 inches. Let me give you guys all of that. Okay, she's about 30 inches. She has a non-slip support band. I'm going to show her to you guys. Boom. Okay, so this is her. She has 3 combs in the front. Excuse me, on top, I guess this is on top. 1 comb in the back. This is the support band they're referring to. And it has adjustable straps for kind of forever on everything. I literally only straighten my hair and laid my edges a itty bitty bit, but we're just gonna throw this on right quick, okay? And let's see how long it takes us. Okay, so let's clip our hair up. Okay, and I wanted to show you guys a cute trick. I am so bad at parting my hair, like it's always crooked, and something just told me to buy this red tooth comb. Excuse me, I have hair all in it. This red tooth comb. And this red tooth comb, if you just put it in and push it back, you get a straight part. And the fact that I never known that and I'm just learning that is beyond me. But now y'all know. So let's then one down here. It's a little big head friendly, full disclosure. Okay. Are you getting all of this, guys? Oh, can you see my fat rolls? Now you can. There you go. Alright, so this is her. Let's pull this down. I'm sorry I'm not looking directly in the camera, guys. My mirror is right behind you. And this is the finished product. Now, this is the finished product with no clip-ins because I always like a seamless style. Excuse me. I clips in the hairs, okay? Because I want y'all to think this thing is fresh about the scalp. So, we're going to use our Zuri Lurex 9 clip-ins just to add a little bit of help. She needs a little bit of love and affection, although that main choice got her hair growing, hunty. So, let's see. So, I'm just using the 2 clips, okay? Now, this is a layered style, but I believe my Lurex 9s are only in 16 inch. Alright guys, so we're back with our Model Oval Part Wig, and I am obsessed. So now let's get in. We've styled our hair, so let's just talk about her for a little bit. So she's about 30 inches, as you guys can see. I hope you can see. I know I wore black, so I'm sorry about that. Give you guys a back shot. Back shot, back shot, back shot, back shot. Okay, so okay. So I love this. I love the concept of this. I love the ease of this. I love, 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 love. Sometimes I don't want to deal with the idea of lace. I just don't, period. This feels lightweight. She's she's not super thick, which is great because she's bone straight hair. You don't want her to be all crazy thick. She's a nice natural texture. Can you guys get that? She's a nice natural texture. She doesn't tangle too much. Also a thing I like because this is a super long unit. And I just fit the only thing I must say that is disconcerting for me is the fact that it is super big head friendly. Super deep duper. I have a eeny meeny teeny weeny head, okay? And I don't even want to adjust the straps because have you noticed that sometimes when you adjust the straps on thing, it puckers the wig, so then it's got like this dome shaped thing, and I don't think I'm giving that. But That's the only reason why I haven't Wakanda Forever'd it. So all in all, I'm obsessed with this. Obsessed. I know I use that word often, but I will have to put this on my all-time fave list in the top 10. She's probably number 6 or 7. She's probably number 5 or 6. Because one, I love the ease of a half wig. Because essentially that's what this is a half wig. I love the ease of that. I love that it still looks natural. Everybody's tired of lace, even us girls. We have to be quite honest, you know. Even though I love the versatility of a wig, I like the ability to not have to wear the whole situation. So, my honey and I are going to a Mad Hatter gin and tea party, and I'm super excited. And this is the hair I shall be wearing, you know, for the drama of it all. And I love how she's not really tangling at all. For her to be that long. Mato. First of all, Mato, where you been? Where you been? Come on, Mato, come to the front. We feeling you, baby. Come on. You have, listen, Mama is proud of this. If you guys have not already, like, subscribe, comment, and have a drink on me. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.